If you do not want to end up in a world of hurt, or you don't want your loved ones to end up in a world of hurt, then please make sure that you have these legal documents in place. Now, what do legal documents have to do with time management? Quite simply, if you don't have the appropriate documents in place, then you could be put into a situation, or your family members could be put into a situation where you lose more than just a whole lot of time. You can go through a whole lot of heartache, and you can go through a whole lot of financial issues if these are not in place. Now, these tips are from Birch and Bowes Elder Law PC. They are my go-to estate planning attorneys in San Antonio. They can work remotely with other people, so consider that if you are not in San Antonio. But even more importantly, here are the documents, the legal documents they advise all of their clients to have in place. And that would be a last will and testament, a durable power of attorney, a medical power of attorney, a medical directive, HIPAA authorization, and appointment for disposition of remains. Please make sure that you talk to your legal representative about getting these in place. As far as what they are, last will and testament, everybody's heard of a will, and you should not wait until you are a senior citizen to create this will. It needs to be in place. If you are alive and watching this, have that last will and testament in place. A durable power of attorney gives somebody you trust authorization to manage your finances in case you are incapacitated. A medical power of attorney gives somebody you trust the authority to make decisions about your health. A medical directive advises your family as well as your medical team what kind of treatment you want depending on the situation you are in. A HIPAA authorization will give permission to your family or to the loved ones who you specify to be able to speak with your medical team. Otherwise, your medical team is not allowed to share confidential information with them. And then finally, an appointment of disposition of your remains. That has to do with what are your wishes when you pass away, to make sure that your remains are handled the way you would want them to be. If you do not have these documents in place, please make sure that you do as soon as possible, because that is one less worry you will have in life.